Hello guys, my name is Chetan Singh. Today I'm here to perform an lead code question. Question number 448. Find all number disappeared in an array. So here an array is given of nums of an integer where nums I is in the range from 1 to n. So we have to return an array of all the integer in the range from 1 to n that do not appear in the nums array. So basically in this question nums array is present inside which elements are from range from 1 to n. So we have to return the an array of the elements that doesn't appear in the nums. So for this, first I have made a dup name array of int type where whose length is num dot length plus 1. So dup array is made of length num dot length plus 1 because I'm here using first counting the frequency of the elements. So to store the frequency, I have taken dup array. So for counting the frequency, I have used for each loop where int I is iterating in nums array and dup I is in increment. So as the loop will pass in nums, the frequency of all the element will be counted and is stored in dup array. Then I have made a array list because we have to return our answer in array form. So I made a array list of integer type whose name is res. Then I have taken a for loop, which I will run in dup array because we have stored the count of all the number in dup array. So the loop will be iterated int I equal to 1. I should be smaller than dup dot length and I plus plus. So we have to return the array of elements which do not appear in nums. So for this, I have given the condition if dup I is equal to 0. That if the dup I, the frequency of any element from 1 to n range is not appearing in the uh, nums array and its frequency doesn't appears it equal to 0, then that element should get add in the res list. So for adding that, I've used res dot add and I. So the element whose frequency will be 0, it will be get added in the res array list. Then I've written the res. As we run this code, you can see all test case are passing. And as we submit this code, it take runtime of 3 millisecond and beats 99.32 user. So this is a good code for question number 448. So this is the code according to the question. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.